Morgan Chambers and Miranda Murphy, and we're going to show you a video of her dog named Miley. Of course, my cat's named Miley, but anyway, of her dog doing tricks, okay? So,
Miley.
she has a Cheerio in her hand.
Come here.
She has a Cheerio in her hand.
Here, stay.
Oh, good, Miley.
She got that.
Yeah, she did.
Okay, ready?
She caught that again.
Okay. Last one.
Tell her to sit.
Sit. Here, sit.
Good, doggy. Oh, that's a good Miley. Okay, now I'm going to do the come part. Miley, sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Now watch this, guys. Stay. Come here. Did you get that, Miranda?
No, mine stopped.
Why?
I don't know. I cannot record it. Okay.
Well, I got it. Okay,
Good.
let's do that.
You should send that to me.
1 second. Let's do that come part again. Sit. Come here. Sit. Stay. Miley, sit. Sit. Stay. Come here, girl. Oh, she runs so fast.
Okay. Here, let me do it. Here, come here.
Is yours videotaping now?
It will. Miley, sit. Sit.
No, drop it.
Catch it.
Oh, she missed that one.
Miley.
She's doing bad right now.
Catch it.
Oh my gosh, Miley. Okay, let me do one.
Yeah, you do it.
Okay. Miley.
Look. Look. Right there.
Miley. Wait. Oh. Oh, oops. She kind of nipped my hand. Okay, wait.
I'm going to take a video.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, she caught it. That was Morgan Chambers reporting to you live with Miranda Murphy. Put your phone down and look at the camera. Now do a striking pose. With Miley, what's her middle name?
Murphy. Piglet Murphy.
Miley Piglet Murphy. Miley!